Okay, so welcome to another random tutorial. Today we will be continuing the basic Java, and it is now episode 2, so we will be creating a new project in Eclipse and taking a look at a basic Hello World application. You do need to do one thing: create a folder on your desktop or wherever you're doing all this called Workspace. Don't worry about this is mine, I'll just move it away. Create your Workspace folder, put nothing in it, and then go ahead and run Eclipse. It's gotten very pretty from the last time I've used it. Last time I installed it and used it was that old one. Okay, so now you see select a workspace. This is where that folder came in. So I have my desktop workspace. You can either check this box, use this as the default workspace, and do not ask again. I will not, because I might be changing it. Click OK, and Eclipse will now load up. Okay, so now that we have Eclipse, I'll just make it full screen and close out of the welcome. I always like to do this, you don't have to. I organize my space a little bit better. I make that smaller, make that smaller. So now I have a bigger area to work with the code. But I'll just go to File, New, or Control N, and a Java project. Now this Java project, it really doesn't have much to do with Java. It's just kind of a way that Eclipse can manage and hold all your source files and pictures or whatever else you're doing. So I'll just call this random. Sure, why not? Make sure this is the correct Java SE version. We looked at that. 1.7 is correct. So finish. And now you see you have a little folder over here. If you maximize this, you would get the Java system library, which is just all the parts of Java. Don't need to mess with that. We don't do anything with that, but click on the source folder so it's highlighted. And then File, New, or Control N again, and create a new Java class. Now this is actually where some programming will go into. So I'll just name it main because it is our main class. And I will change the package to random package. A package is just a way that you can organize all your sources a little bit better. Whenever I'm doing basic tutorials, I really don't use this, but it gets rid of all the errors. People don't like that. Here you get a lot of other things. Really, the only main things we want to look at are which methods would you like to create. You could check this, which will create a main method already. You don't know what that is, but I will explain it. So I just won't check it. I'll just type it. Finish. Don't change anything else. We'll now load up your main class. So let's just start typing. What you need to type is public static void. What this means is the public identifier for Java is, it says that this method, this main method, can be used in anywhere in the project. Static means that it is only created, this method is only run once whenever the program starts up, and void just means it's method. So let's actually make this the main method so that this is what will run whenever the program executes or starts. So string, then you can do two little square bracket things, and then args. Java really doesn't care which way you put the square brackets. You could put string args or arguments, and then that. I'll just do it this way. This is the way I always do it. It looks better to me. The package, we already explained that. Public class main, this is the class main. Everything goes inside these little brackets. The brackets are used to enclose everything that is used. So this really doesn't mean much. This just initializes, I would say, the main method so that it runs in the startup. It's not used much. Only if you're command prompting and you want to run this, you can enter variables and stuff into there. But now let's go on to the meat of the actual program. System dot out dot print line ln. Oh, no P there. And this means this is just system.out. This is the way to get to the print line. So in here, we'll just put the little quotation marks. If you type one, Eclipse will automatically add another, which I think is really cool. Same with these brackets and parentheses. In here, you can just enter a string or a string of text. So I'll just enter hello world, as always, as everyone does. Oh, it's supposed to be a little m, not a big M, sorry. Little m. This makes it the main. If you were to type the big M, that means that you're trying to create another method, and that one would not run, because whenever the program runs, it automatically looks for the little m, the main, to run first. So to run a program, you go up here to run. You can click this, and down here is what it would output, and it says hello world. Make sure it's saved first. Hello world, and it outputs that because system.out.println finds the println command, and it prints whatever is in here out on a new line. So it printed the string hello world out on a new line. Also, we could change this to like random hello, capitalize the H. If you don't save and click this, it will ask you if you want to save. Check this box. If you check this box, then it will automatically save everything whenever you run it. I like that. So now it says random hello. So let's see what else we got. I have my little script thing here. Yep. Run the program, it works. Terminated, that means the program stopped because it got to the end. There's no more code. Once it started these curly brackets, it started here, it ran this, finished this, and then it saw there's nothing else, so it would finish that too, and then the program was done because there's nothing else left. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I believe next tutorial will be on variables and data types. So like int, string, boolean, char, that kind of stuff. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and check out my website for more random tutorials.